welcome back to my channel. First of all, I want to say happy holidays to you all, and sorry for a bit of lack of videos, but well, there's been some issues like family things and stuff. So, but if you watch my Facebook page, you can see I've did some drawings and some paints too. So, well, I promise you in the new year I will be back with more videos. But for now, well, this is another unboxing video, and well, you can guess one time, what did I buy? Shoes! Of course it's shoes again. And well, let's see which ones. The package, well, I ordered them from eBay, and it was from a UK store, but it took more than 3 weeks to get here. I know there's been some issues with the postal office thingy here in Belgium, but well, according to the sticker, it was in France, so I don't know why it went there, but or maybe they took the train like from UK to France and then to Belgium. But well, they arrived. I'm very excited to show these, and well, let's open up this package. It feels like Christmas even though it's 26 today, but Merry Christmas to me and Merry Christmas to you all. And well, as you can see, the colorful box, it's my favorite brand again. It's Irregular Choice. Wow. The box is a little bit damaged. There's a dent in it, probably from the postal, well, but it's still a beautiful box. You can still use it to store things in, and well, the size and all seems correct, so let's open up this box again. And this is Loki. Well, wanna say hi, Loki? Look, this is my Loki bear. Hi people, hi. He's a feral adopted cat, but he's a really adorable. And well, I'm opening the box, and my other cat, the box inspector, is arriving. Hi, Mr. Dread, come. I think people are already saying, would you just open that box? I will. Look, I'm opening it, and here's Mr. Dratz inspecting. Wanna see the box? He's my Mr. Dratz. Say hi. Hi. So, polka dot paper again. I like. And well, this time I bought myself sneakers. Look at these. Oh my god. Ooh! They're more glittery than I thought, but the more sparkle, the more I like it. Oh my god, look at these. It's the Sydney snake shoes from Irregular Choice, the high tops. I'll put them up close so you can see the details. See, look at all those coloring and all those glitters. I think it's focusing, yes. Oh my god. Ooh, and even some pearls on them. Yes, I like. Ooh, and oh my god, on the inside, fluffiness, even better. I'm gonna put my foot in them. Oh my god, yes. This is, again, instant love for me. These are adorable. They're so beautiful. You know, these are actually all my favorite colors, like the turquoise and the purple. And well, it's also shiny and glitter. Oh my god, yes. I'm 37, by the way. I can act like a kid. And well, I don't care. That's just me being me. But I don't think there's an age on these shoes. So my husband sometimes says those are kids' shoes, but why would they come in a 40? Or even they go up to 43, like the sizes here in Belgium, so that's not a kid's shoe. No, look at them. Bam! Woohoo! Here's one happy woman. Merry Christmas to me. They fit perfect and well, I love them. Yes, 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 yes. Well, this was it for this unboxing, and well, I hope you like it. Please give it a like, put a thumbs up, the bell button thingy, you know, the drill. Subscribe to my channel. Check also my other pages. I have a Facebook and an Instagram too. And well, I hope your holidays will be fantastic, that you have a blast, and I hope to see you all next year. And I want to thank you all for the support you've given me this year, and have a happy 2019. See you all. Bye bye. Love you. Mwah.